Hey guys, welcome to Algebra 3, Unit 1 Study Guide over Arithmetic and Geometric Sequences. This is page 2 of your study guide. So let's go at it. Alright, this is part 3, Sequences. Using the given information below, solve for the 52nd term and write if the sequence is arithmetic or geometric. So I'm looking for a term, okay? So let's go ahead and give you those two formulas. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus dn minus 1. That one is your arithmetic. The other one, a sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1. That one is your geometric, and both of these are explicit, and you want to use explicit to solve for the 52nd term. All right, let's look at number 18. I'm noticing a pattern. Looks like I'm multiplying by -6, but just to be sure, you can always double check. -6, let's turn this on. Okay, -6 divided by 1, 36 divided by -6. I'm starting to see a pattern. So 36 times -6. Okay, notice I am multiplying every single time. So my R is -6. That tells me it is geometric. Please answer the question, okay? It says, write if the sequence is arithmetic or geometric, and I'm going to say it is geometric. Now, I am looking for my 52nd term. It didn't ask you to write a formula, so you don't have to write a formula, but if you show work, you'll get partial credit. So, a sub 52, because it's geometric. What is your first term? 1 times your R, -6, 52 minus 1. That's your nth term, okay? All you got to do is type that into your calculator, 1 parentheses, -6. Make sure you use the negative and not the minus, raised to the 52 minus 1. And notice your solution is a really, really big number, okay? So your 52nd term is -4.8497. 4 decimal places would be great. That E means times 10 to the 39, okay? So the E right here means times 10. Please do not write E right there. So I know you guys are smarter than that, so please write it in scientific notation. So there's your answer for number 18. Let me box that in. There's one of your answers, and the other one is right here. Make sure you answer the question, okay? All right, number 19. Let's take a look. It looks like I'm decreasing by 200, but if I didn't know that, I could double check. -178 minus 22. All right, see that? So I am going down by -200. So -178 minus 200 minus 200. You guys see how that's all these terms here? So I'm subtracting or adding. So this one here is arithmetic. Okay? That means you have a D of -200. So let's write our formula. It would be this one right here. A sub 52, because I'm looking for a 52nd term. First term is 22 plus D. My D is 200. 52 minus 1. So I just type that. I just substitute my formula right there. So 22 minus 200, 52nd term is, so A sub 52 equals -10178. Okay. Number 20. Let's take a look at number 20. All right. That right there, see how the n is to the first is an exponential? That one tells me it is geometric. Okay? And I'm looking for a 52nd term, so all I have to do is plug it in. -4, my R is 2, raised to the 52nd, 52 minus 1. Type in your calculator, -4 times 2, raised to the 52 minus 1. Or you can just write 51. All right. So A sub 52 equal, 4 decimal places, please, -9.0072 times 10 to the 15. Please don't write E, okay? You guys are too smart for that. 21. Take a look. Notice there's a plus. Your D is 6, so that makes this one arithmetic. Okay? It didn't ask you to find the common difference or the ratio, so you don't have to worry about that. So it says arithmetic, 52nd term, okay? Negative 12 plus 6, 52 minus 1. And just type it like you see it. Negative 12 plus 6, parentheses, 52 minus 1. Comes out to be 52nd term is 294. Make sure you tell me what 294 is. Don't just write 294. That tells me it's the 52nd term. All right, very important how you label. Now, if you take a look at this, this is minus 10, okay? That is your recursive formula of an arithmetic sequence. There's your D right there. So that makes this one arithmetic. All right. Now I'm going to write my formula to help me, okay? So the formula is A sub n, which is A sub 52, equals your first term, minus your D, 52 minus 1. See, I just converted my recursive to my explicit. So negative 2 minus 10, parentheses, 52 minus 1 times. So my 52nd term is negative 512. All right. If you guys see that I made a mistake somewhere, please let me know, okay? Because I'm going kind of fast. Okay, number 23. This is your R. So that tells you that this is geometric. Okay. Your 52nd term, let's take a look. I'm going to rewrite it like my formula. First term is 3 times your R, 52 minus 1. I didn't ask for a formula, so you don't have to give me that. But show your work. This is how you can show your work. So if you accidentally type something wrong, you can get full, partial credit. All right? 52nd term comes out to be 1.4549 times 10 to the 40. Okay. Let's take a look at number 23. Let's look at 24. Sorry. That should have been 24. That should be 25. Sorry, guys. That was a misprint. Okay, sorry. Okay, so let's take a look at this 24. It gives me a D that tells you it's arithmetic. Let's write your formula. A sub 52 equals your first term plus your D, 52 minus 1. Type that to your calculator. Make my 6 look better. Negative 1 minus 6, parentheses, 52 minus 1. Comes out to be, 52nd term is negative 307. Okay. Take a look at the other 24. All right. You have an R there that tells me that's geometric. Let's rewrite it in explicit form, looking for the 52nd term. Okay? All right. First term is 2 times your ratio, 52 minus 1. So 2 parentheses, 4 parentheses, raised to 52 minus 1. And that comes out to be 1.0141 times 10 to the 31. Okay. That just means you're going to move this decimal place 31 places over. Let me make that. All right. So there you have part 3 sequences. Let's go to part 3, converting formulas. Okay? It says, given the explicit formula, convert to the recursive formula. Or if it gives you the recursive, give me the explicit. So if you look at this right here, this is an explicit formula. So I want you to rewrite it in recursive. Okay? So your recursive, you would write A sub n equals your A sub n minus 1. This is an arithmetic, so here's your D right here. So plus 200. Do not put parentheses around your 200. If you do, you're going to be multiplying. Okay, so don't put that there. Now add your first term. What is your first term? Negative 16. So there you have number 25. Okay? Let's take a look at number 26. On number 26, they have given you a geometric explicit formula. Okay? Here's your R, here's your first term. So let's rewrite it in recursive. So A sub n equals A sub n minus 1 times your R. When you put parentheses around that, that means you're multiplying, and your first term is 5. Okay. 27. Let's take a look at number 27. There's your multiplication. There's your R. Giving you recursive. That's your first term. Let's write your explicit. Here we go. A sub n equals your first term times your R, n minus 1. That's it. Okay? Notice you have another geometric, so let's rewrite that one in explicit also, because that's your recursive. So A sub n equals your first term times your R raised to the n minus 1. And there you have page 2. Okay? Good luck.